Meanwhile, sensational Bollywood link is emerging in the Sushant death probe. India Today has accessed the statement of a boatman who claims to have ferried Bollywood actor like Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rhea Chakrabarti along with Sushant to his Pavna island. In a statement to the Narcotics Control Bureau, the boatman said Sara, Shraddha and Rhea used to accompany Sushant for boat rides and parties, saying the woman actor never came together with Sushant. The boatman Jagdeep added that Sushant and his friends used to consume alcohol, take marijuana and did drugs. India Today had yesterday accessed images of hookah and bongs at the farmhouse. The NCB is now analyzing CCTV footage.
इस वक्त मैं पवना डैम के एक टापू पर मौजूद हूं और इसी टापू पर अक्सर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत अपने दोस्तों के साथ पार्टी करने, समय बिताने आया करते थे। दरअसल नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने जब ड्रग्स एंगल पर जांच करनी शुरू की तो सबसे पहले सुशांत के फार्म हाउस पर गई। वहां पर छानबीन की तो सुराग मिला कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत एक आइलैंड पर पार्टी करने के लिए जाते थे। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के इस पार्टी वाले खुलासे के बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम पवना डैम के इस आइलैंड पर पहुंची तो एक बोटमैन मिला। बोटमैन से जब नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने छानबीन की तो पता चला कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत रिया चक्रवर्ती के साथ घंटों इस आइलैंड पे आते थे। लेकिन जो सबसे बड़ा खुलासा किया है बोटमैन ने वो ये कि सारा अली खान भी 4-5 बार आ चुकी हैं, श्रद्धा कपूर भी यहाँ पर आ चुकी हैं। उससे भी बड़ा खुलासा ये किया है कि इस आइलैंड पे सुशांत के साथ दीपेश सावंत, सैमुअल मिरांडा, रिया चक्रवर्ती के भाई शोभिक, ड्रग पेडलर जैद वो भी आ चुका है और इस आइलैंड पर जमकर पार्टी होती थी, शराब चलता था और शराब के अलावा मैरुआना यानी गांजा चलता था। इस खुलासे के बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने बोटमैन का बयान दर्ज किया है। उस बोटमैन का बयान आज तक के पास भी मौजूद है। अब सुशांत के फार्म हाउस और इस आइलैंड में पार्टी में शामिल होने वाले तमाम लोगों पर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की नजर है। कैमरामैन संजय के साथ अरविंद ओझा।
Cutting across to my colleague Devesh who's joining us. Devesh, what more can you add to it? Because the statement of the boatman, and we've also actually spoken to the manager of the farmhouse, a lot of information coming out from there.
Yeah, Preeti, this was a farmhouse at Lonavala near Pavna Dam, which was hired by Sushant Singh Rajput, and it has come out in statements of various people that this was a second home for Sushant Singh Rajput, and where he would visit with his friends, with his staffers. And right now, the NCB, which has started its crackdown on all the connected drug peddlers, each and every one, they are actually cutting down on the supply chain. This vehicle belongs to 23-year-old Karanjit Anand, who was supposedly one of the suppliers who had supplied drugs, marijuana and buds to Sushant Singh Rajput, Rhea Chakrabarti, Shouvik Chakrabarti. This vehicle has now been seized. This luxury vehicle was also searched, and also the residence of Karanjit Anand was searched, after which NCB officials found 17 grams of marijuana and 4 grams of hashish from his residence. Also 6 lakhs cash has been found from his residence, which is suspected to be drug money. Another angle, a 74-year-old senior citizen is under scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau, as Chris Costa, one of the drug peddlers who was supplying LSD to another supplier, has been arrested, and he revealed that this 74-year Goa-based senior citizen was the person supplying LSD to him and also to other peddlers, and this LSD is suspected to have been sourced from suppliers from UK, from Europe. Right now, he's being probed by the NCB officials in Goa, and further action could be initiated. Preeti?
All right, appreciate you joining us, Devesh. We'll keep coming back to you. Thank you. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.